master at work. We don't know his vision, but he knows it.
How on my shoulder, Jimmy?
Fun's over, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you saw in today's video, we went to a car meet with my old friend and met some new friends. So had a really good time. Did like a mini photo shoot. And so today we're gonna go to. We're actually on our way to Masterson's Car Care. They're having like a little car show right now. So there's raffles and stuff. Should be really fun. So hope you guys enjoy, and got a couple other things in this video, but stay tuned. And if you can hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and hope you enjoy the video. Found a homie.
Shelf wheels, boycotted his shelf, and then they have these. You pick out half made. I think I'm gonna have to buy like a.
Damn, it's clean.
Yeah, but you still have a. Yeah, it's not rubbing right now. I don't think on the back or anything. I just don't like it. I mean, it's nice. When you have big tire in the back, yeah. So this one is like a rim, not like low tire.
Damn.
Yeah. Alright, let's survive.
Yeah, but now we just let it go.
It's a K car. Yeah, it's a K car. It's so sick.
I love it.
Oh, dude, I always use that in the and then always use it in cappuccino. Huge penis book. I love it. The intercooler is as big as the engine.
Damn. K-swap fit. There he is right there. Lotus orange one. Have a red one over there. Mid-engine car, I believe. Interior. It's amazing. Got it away. I think so. Oh, V8. There you go. V8 twin turbo. Interior is amazing condition. No cracks. Look at the sunroof. Here's a dream car. If I Viper GTS. Oh shit, it's a Viper Venom. Damn. Damn.
Sticker.
I don't know.
My favorite one, the GTS.
Yeah. I believe so. Well, I had a sticker at least. I'm not sure. It had a sticker over here too. Right there too. To be honest, I don't know. I would have this inside too. I'm gonna bring it outside.
Hey, where'd that chick go?
The big old wheel stretch. So today I wanted to resolve one of the issues with the car. Currently, the passenger door handle does not work. Well, it works, but the handle itself is broken. And so sometimes it works or it stays held open, it's kind of weird, or sometimes it doesn't want to work at all. So when I first bought the car, when I opened the passenger door, it worked, but then the second or third time it didn't work. So I'm not sure. At first I really didn't realize what was going on. A locksmith was going through the car trying to find out what was going on, and then after seeing, reading more about the issues with the RX-7, I, found out that it's got to be the handle. And when I took it apart, I noticed that it was broken. So on the inside, same over here on the driver's side. This one works fine. No issues. But might be a ticking time bomb. Usually, what I've been doing for any passengers is I open the door on the inside for them, let them in. So hopefully I don't have to do that anymore. Here are the door handles. Overnighted them from Japan. Brand new. Nice, no scratches. So first things first, move the cover, which I already did, and then 2 bolts right here. I gotta release. Now I gotta release the latches for the door mechanism. There's 2. Just gotta pop them out. Looks like there's a cable that goes through here. Nothing to it but to do it. we're done. Got any bolts. Hold it in place. Good enough for me. Great success. Okay. Went ahead and finished this one off. As you can see. And no issues. Hey guys, if you got this far, thanks for watching. I definitely appreciate it and your time. Hope you enjoyed it. Sorry it was all over the place. I'm still learning how to plan a video, plan how to, create a video. So I definitely still enjoyed it, and I hope you did too. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for better videos. Peace out.
A lot of MMA fighters are out there.
Yeah. It's gonna go on my YouTube.
Oh my god.
Looking down
Fighting stance is impeccable.
Mom, stop.
Busted.
Fuck yeah, I'm turned on right now. Just went from 6 to midnight.